Hey guys, James Wachob with TurnkeyInvest.com. I'm in Mumford, Tennessee this morning on site at a house that we're wrapping up the final touches. We took this house as the worst house on the street, and now we've made it one of the best. With a full renovation, nothing was spared. The exterior, the interior, the mechanicals, every window was replaced. This house was completely rebuilt from the inside out. So let's check this house out. New 30-year architectural shingle. It had a pink brick on the exterior. Wasn't the best looking brick, so we've painted it all white with gray accents. So gray shutters, gray front door, a new garage door was installed, and much, much more. So let's check this house out together. One of the reasons people are attracted to Mumford. So right before this video, I Google mapped how far from here to St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital, downtown Memphis, Tennessee. It's 22 miles, 42 minutes, including traffic, from this house to downtown Memphis. So we're not that far away from, a lot of jobs where people might work, but they're getting out here for the great school system, low taxes. The taxes on this house compared to being in the city of Memphis or in Shelby County, dramatically different. You'll see that on the pro forma that I'll share in the link below. Go to TurnkeyInvest.com to get more information about this home as an investment property. Some people just want to live a little bit further out, get away from the hustle and bustle of the bigger city, better schools, low taxes, a great quality of life, super low crime, all those things we're looking for in a great community. So we came in, hard surface floors throughout all the high traffic and wet areas. So tile in the bathrooms, this hardwood floor. This is not LVP. This is a composite material that is extremely durable, looks amazing. Of course, the gray walls, white trim like we do on most of our houses, 2-inch faux wood blinds on my executive level rentals. This house, we're hoping to achieve $1,500 per month in rent. So new light fixtures throughout the house. In the kitchen, we always like to have that open concept feel from kitchen to living room when possible. A lot of the renovations is just not possible. I love that this one had that. Huge peninsula where we installed granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. This is a beautiful house. We'll sell in the $185,000 range and cash flow really great. The house had cherry cabinets. We painted them white. It did not have a backsplash. We added this subway tile backsplash with a gooseneck faucet and a super deep sink without that split in the middle. A lot of people like this super deep farm style sink. It's what I've got in my house. It's just super functional. Brand new stainless steel dishwasher, vent hood, and range. It's electric range. So coming back this way, I like that this door's here because it separates the kitchen and living area from an oversized laundry room with cabinets. So in here, of course, you'd be able to put your washer and dryer. Nice storage above. Behind me, a 2-car garage with a big storage area that could be used as a workshop. And that's where the water heater is located as well. The water heater's not in the attic. So as we come out here, there was a deck, but it was in rough shape. So I've replaced it with a brand new and doubled the size of the deck as well. Because someone that's wanting to live out here may really enjoy this beautiful backyard. So putting an oversized brand new deck with treated lumber in was a little bit extra expense. I wanted to go to attract that quality tenant. Check out that nice big backyard. So definitely a beautiful house for maybe that empty nester who's living in a 5-bedroom, 3-bath house, wants to be closer to the grandkids out here in Mumford, Tipton County area. Maybe that young couple who is having their first child. They want a big backyard for the kids to play in. Big front yard, big backyard. Beautiful deck on the back of the house. Gorgeous family area. This is where you're going to congregate. This is when you have people over, you're having Christmas, this is where the Christmas tree's going, and the kitchen involved right into the living room just makes it ideal. All right, so now let's go to the living part of the house. And you have your first bathroom here. This is the bathroom the kids would use and also the guests. So it's really cool that you have your sink area separated by a door to your toilet and shower bath combo. So I could have gone cheap here and done some less expensive countertops, but I went ahead and did the Dallas white granite in the bathrooms as well. So you've got that upgraded countertop, painted white cabinets to match the kitchen, beautiful ceramic tile that looks like a marble that through the flooring, and then carried into the shower as well. So the shower, you notice we took the tile above the shower head, put a little place for the shampoo dish as well. Brand new toilet, all new floors, just a gorgeous secondary bathroom for guests, maybe the kids, or if you're having folks over. In the bedrooms, we went with carpet. Overwhelmingly, my homeowners, my renters like carpet in the bedrooms. I like to have a hard surface floors in the high traffic and wet areas because that's where you'd see most of the damage when it comes time for the next person to live in this house. All brand new windows in this house. The old windows were the bronze color. They had lost the seal. There was broken panes. So we went to the expense of over $5,000 to replace every window in this house with double pane, energy efficient windows. And then we did some 2-inch faux wood blinds instead of the mini blinds like you'll see in some of the rentals, just to attract that higher price point for the rental. Bedroom number 2, brand new carpet, beautiful gray on the walls, white trim. Every light switch and 110 outlet has been replaced throughout the house. Every light fixture is brand new. We went with the brushed nickel on light fixtures, doorknobs, hinges, so it all matches throughout the house. Now into the owner's suite. One of the things I want to point out while we're in here, this house had the popcorn ceilings or the textured ceilings like you see in so many houses. We went to that extra expense again to smooth those out. So it took my guys a week in here scraping the ceilings, sanding the ceilings, then patching any areas that made it perfectly smooth so we could apply a triple coat of paint on the ceilings, and now they look like a brand new custom built house. Those little touches are what really make you stand apart in the mediocrity that is rental properties in the Mid-South. Smoothing the ceilings on a $1,500 a month rental makes all the difference in the world. Nice owner suite, big enough for a king size bed, 2 nightstands and a dresser. And then we come into the wow moment for every lady that's gonna look at this house. Double vanities with granite countertops. This was a tub and shower combo. I kicked out the tub. I made this closet to over my shoulder smaller so that we could put a huge walk-in all tile shower with framed in nickel frame glass on the shower. All new plumbing fixtures, of course, throughout this house. All the new toilets. This house really has seen it all. Go to turnkeyinvest.com to view more pictures of this house. If you're interested in learning about owning rental properties, no matter where you live, the majority of my clients are at least 2,000 miles away. I've got clients in other countries across the globe. Memphis, Tennessee, the numbers work. You can buy a brand new house, fully renovated house. It's almost like a brand new house that's gonna cash flow and appreciate over time. So in this area, to tell you a little bit more about it, home builders are going crazy building houses for homeowners, and they can't build them fast enough. A lot of people are wanting to move out this way. So that's why I've become more confident in owning some rental properties in the Tipton County area, just 42 minutes from downtown Memphis, Tennessee. Go to turnkeyinvest.com, reach out to me and the team. Come visit us this October 2nd and 3rd. We have our big event coming up. Yes, we are having it, no matter what, no matter COVID, no matter weather, that event is happening. And I'd love to meet you in person, shake your hand, let you meet my team, because this is very much a person-on-person business. It's not a commodity that you trade like a stock. So having the team in place to find these houses, fully renovate them, and then post point of sale to take care of you every step through with property management, all in-house, everything under one roof that investors need to succeed. Thank you so much for watching the video. Comment below what you think about this house. Thanks.